Today we will explain what a tender offer involves. Tender is the process through which one or more shareholders of the company itself buy their shares from the market. Since we are aware that the tender process for the TRG is currently going on, and it is important for all the stakeholders to understand the process. Purchase period. Purchase period shall be 30 days from the date of dispatch of buyback offer letter. The purchase period for purchase through securities exchange shall not later than 7 days from the date of public announcement and shall close within 90 days from the date of special resolution by the EOGM, or such date that the purchase is completed, whichever is earlier. Purchase procedure for the tender offer. Offer is communicated, company has set up and placed funds in an escrow account. Co shall maintain 25% amount in escrow at all times. The remaining amount shall be deposited by the purchasing company in the escrow account at least 3 working days before the close of the purchase period. The purchasing company account shall be opened with CTC. Shares tendered for sale in physical form shall not be accepted for the purchase. Shares shall be tendered through the share tender form to authorized officer, and the share tender must be received before the closing of the purchase period. Within 5 days of the closing of the purchase period, the co shall finalize the list of all shareholders who have tendered their shares. The number of shares tendered and the number of shares accepted by the company shall also be finalized at this stage. Where the shares tendered for sale by the shareholders exceed the number of shares announced to be purchased, first acceptance shall be for up to 500 shares, then 1000 shares, and then 1500 shares. However, in the case where the number of shares being accepted is completed, the shares in the same category shall be prorated. Where the shares tendered sale by the shareholder are less than the minimum marketable lot, 500 shares or marketable lot, whichever is lower, shall be accepted. Payment for the accepted shares shall be accepted within 7 days of closing of the purchasing period. Also, the unaccepted shares, if any, shall be returned within 7 days of the closing of the purchase period. Purchase through security exchange. Purchase shall be made through security exchange subject to the following procedure. In addition to the purchase procedure provided in Regulation 4, the purchase shall be made through the automated trading system of the securities exchange, and bids for the purchase shall not be made during the first half hour and the last half hour of each trading session. Settlement for accepted shares shall be made within 7 days of the closing of the purchasing period.